In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach file in Zoho Mail. We'll walk through composing an email, adding your file, and sending it confidently in the Zoho Mail web app. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Sign in if prompted, and once your inbox loads, look to the top left and click New Mail to open a fresh message window. This is your compose screen, where you'll add recipients, write your subject and message, and attach your file. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you're sending to. If your contacts are saved, Zoho will suggest matches as you type. Choose the correct one. You can add more than one recipient by separating addresses with commas. Take a second to verify you've selected the right people before moving on. If someone else needs a copy for visibility, use the CC field. It's optional but helpful for keeping stakeholders in the loop. If you don't want recipients to see each other's addresses, use BCC instead, but only when appropriate for privacy. Add a clear subject line that tells the recipient what to expect, something that reflects the file you're sending. A specific subject helps your message stand out and makes it easier to find later. Now write your message. Briefly explain what the attachment is, why you're sending it, and any actions needed. Even a couple of sentences makes your email more professional and reduces back and forth. When you're ready to attach, click the attachment icon, the paperclip within the Compose window. A small menu appears. Choose Upload Files. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your file is stored, select it and click Open. You'll see the upload progress, and once it's done, the file name and size will appear in the Composer. If you picked the wrong file, remove it using the small remove option next to the file name, then attach the correct one. It's a good idea to check their file name and size. If the file is large, make sure it's within your account's limit, or consider compressing it before attaching. Before sending, do a quick review. Confirm the recipients, the CC if used, a clear subject, a concise message, and that your attachment is visible. When everything looks good, click Send. You can verify it was sent by checking your Sent folder, where you'll see the message and the attached file listed. That's it. You've composed your email, attached your file in Zoho Mail, and sent it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.